Hi, this is my intro video for AEP 800. My name is Courtney Crandon. This is my About Me page. I have been married for 3 years. We have 2 dogs, but no kids yet. I graduated from Washburn University in 2014, and then I just finished my 3rd year teaching. So in August, I will be starting my 4th year. My work environment, I work in USD 259, which is in Wichita, Kansas. It's actually the largest district in Kansas. It's very diverse. If you look up here, we have 119 languages that are used in our students' homes. Our graduation rate is 73%. It's very inner city Wichita school district. I work at Anderson Elementary, and I'm actually a PE teacher. At our school, we have about 630 students enrolled as of last year, and we are Title I. We're in South Wichita, which is a very low poverty part of town. My critical reflection about technology, I think it's great for the classroom. I definitely think if I were a classroom teacher, I would use it a lot more than what I do as a PE teacher. I think it provides opportunities for collaboration and communication. Definitely prepares students for 21st century career world. There's so much technology being used out there in the workplace and just everywhere we look. So teaching our students at school the proper way to use technology is getting them ready for the real world. I think it can definitely be a motivation for students to learn. Technology can be fun. Sometimes the younger students don't even realize that they're learning when they're learning on technology. So I think that's definitely a great motivational tool. And then it's also just a great additional tool, something different for the students to use, and definitely a different additional teaching tool to use. And then globalization, connecting with people from around the world, learning about people from around the world. Critique of my own technology, again, as a PE teacher, I don't use it very much. We're a Title I school, so we don't have iPads. We have laptop carts and things like that, but those are used in the classroom. There are a couple things we could probably do. We do use PowerPoints. We have some different fitness things that go with a PowerPoint. And then my co-teacher and I use music and a sound system for our classroom management. So every day we're using the sound system and music. We use a microphone. So that's about the extent of our technology that we use in our gym. And then I use it all the time for my own personal resource and to look up different lessons or get on Pinterest, things like that. Plan to improve current practices. I definitely want to continue to educate myself. I'm always learning about cool new apps and things to use. So writing a grant to get an iPad, even just one or maybe two for both my co-teacher and I, so that we can use some of those different technologies that I've learned about. But as of right now, we don't have the funding for either one of us to get an iPad. So funding impact, it's definitely a big impact on us. Being a Title I low-income school, there's just certain things that we can spend our money on. And so right now, an iPad is not really our biggest concern. So if we had funding, we could get things like iPads, maybe even a smart board. I've seen some different PE games used with a smart board, or other technologies, even just some pedometers. We have a ton of students. We have double classes every day. So we have about 50 students in the gym at a time. So we would need 50 plus pedometers, even Apple gift cards to get more music, or some different apps that you have to pay for. So funding would definitely impact my use on technology. Thanks.